that I need to show you this morning. If you're a potter, you're going to find this so exciting. If you're not, you're going to be like, why is Zara getting so excited about rulers? These aren't just rulers, these are shrinkage rulers. So every clay will have a different shrinkage rate. Mine has a 10% shrinkage rate. These rulers are great because they have every shrinkage rate known to man. 10%, my clay shrinks 10%. Or why would you need to know exactly the size? I'll tell you, because I've been making these candlestick holders and they are so difficult. I need them to be 2.5 centimeters on the opening once they're fully fired. Now if my clay shrinks 10%, that means I need to throw the tops 2.7. Trying to measure 2.7 on this little tiny ruler is next to impossible, which means I do have quite a few of them which come out a little bit too big or a little bit too small by like a millimeter, 1 millimeter out. This is brilliant because all I need to do now is measure to 2.5 on my 10% shrinkage ruler, and it's just all the work. Whenever I'm actually throwing to 2.5 centimeters on my 10% shrinkage ruler, it's actually a little bit more, but it's actually 10% more. Funny enough on the 10%. I'll link them in case you want to go and have a nosy, but I just know this is going to make my life so much easier.